our channel DAV Tutor. So as I have said, we have started worksheet 1 and this is part 1. We have started worksheet 1 of chapter 1, class 8, DAV, mathematics, squares and square roots. Once again, I welcome everyone. Let's start with question number 1. Okay. Which of the following numbers are perfect squares? स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आपने हमारे पहले वीडियोस को चेक किया होगा जिसमें हमने कंसेप्ट दिया है एंड फैक्ट्स डाला है स्क्वायर्स के लिए, तो आपके लिए ये वर्कशीट इज़ वेरी वेरी इजी. सो अगर आपने नहीं देखा है तो यू मस्ट सी, एंड इफ यू हैव सीन देन इट्स वेरी इजी फॉर यू, राइट? बट you should check, right? You should check your answers. So in this video, you check it, you know it, and check the concepts and get your concepts clear. So let's start. So the question was, which of the following numbers are perfect squares? So 11, first number is 11. So students, मैंने आपको ये बताया था कि एक perfect square वो होता है जिसकी स्क्वायर रूट में कोई भी डेसिमल इन्वॉल्वमेंट नहीं होता है, राइट? एंड अगर आप 11 का स्क्वायर रूट देखोगे तो यू विल नॉट गेट अ नेचुरल नंबर, राइट? बिकॉज इफ यू सी 1 स्क्वायर इज 1, 2 स्क्वायर इज 4, 3 स्क्वायर इज 16, 8 square you see 64, and 5 square is 25, and 4 square is 16, and between 3 square that is 9 and 4 square that is 16, you doesn't, then 11 is a non-square number, right? Because you can see natural numbers are here, and if anywhere you will find a decimal number which will be only the approx, जो कि आप आगे वर्कशीट में पढ़ोगे. सो अभी हमको ये नहीं जानना है. जब हम लोग आगे वर्कशीट में चले जाएंगे देन यू विल गेट इट. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट नंबर इज 16. So yes, 16 is the square of 4, right? 4 square is 16. 32, again it is not a perfect square. The same condition is here which was in 11. Non-square numbers all have the same condition which I have explained just now, and you will get in the further videos initiating with the worksheets. Okay, now 36. Yes students, 36 is the square of 6 square. Okay, now 50, it is non-square number, means it is not a perfect square. 64, yes, 8 square is 64. 75, no. So what is the answer we get? 16, 32, 36, 64. These three numbers are perfect square, students. So first number is clear and we have these answered. You may check your answers with me as well and your book as well. Now question number 2. Which of the following numbers are perfect square of even numbers? Students, you must have seen the concept video in which I have said that the square of even number is always even. यहाँ पर हमें ये चेक करना है कि परफेक्ट स्क्वायर देखना है प्लस वो इवन स्क्वायर है या नहीं, इवन नंबर का परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है या नहीं. तो कैसे देखेंगे? बिकॉज हमने कहा था आपको कि स्क्वायर ऑफ इवन नंबर इज ऑलवेज इवन. अगर इसका स्क्वायर रूट इवन है तो स्क्वायर भी इवन ही होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2 स्क्वायर इज 4, दोनों ही इवन है, राइट? एंड 4 स्क्वायर इज 16, यहाँ पर भी दोनों इवन है, राइट? सो क्वेश्चन में है हमारा 1 to 1. इट इज ऑड नंबर, सो इट कैन नॉट बी द स्क्वायर ऑफ ऑड नंबर एज वेल, एंड इट इज नॉट अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर विथ ऑड नंबर. येस, इट इज अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर, बट स्टूडेंट्स इट इज द परफेक्ट स्क्वायर ऑफ ऑड नंबर. 11 square is 1 to 1. But 11 is a odd number, so it is not a perfect square with an odd number. It's with an even number. Sorry, it is not a square with an even number. Got it? 2 to 5. Again, it is a perfect square, students, of 15. But we have to check for even number, so it is not for even number. 784. Yes, 784 is a perfect square with an even number. It may a square. You don't have to check the final answer, but you have to make out, okay? You have to guess out. So at last digit is even, so it's a perfect square of even number. 841, no, because it's odd. 576 is yes, because it's even, and 6561 is odd, so it is not. So in this question, you got the answers, that is 784 and 576. So still second number, if you are facing any kind of doubt, you are free to ask. Please, you can ask me in the comment box. Okay. Now question number 3. Here we have to check the squares in the following numbers which are perfect squares. Students, do you remember in the fact where we are discussing about zeros? Yes. किसी भी स्क्वायर के पास अगर इवन नंबर्स के जीरो होते हैं, एज आई टोल्ड लाइक 2, 4, 6, तो वो एक परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है. लेकिन अगर उनके पास ऑड नंबर के जीरोस होते हैं लाइक 3, 5 एंड सो ऑन, तो दे आर नॉट अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. दे कैन बी परफेक्ट क्यूब, बट वी विल डिस्कस it in chapter 2, but here we have to discuss square, so it cannot be a perfect square. मैं आपको ऐसे बता देती हूँ, जैसे अगर आप 10 into 10 करते हो, any square is what? Number multiplying itself, right? तो 10 into 10 करोगे तो आपका zeros add हो जाएगा, isn't it? 2 zeros you will get. And similarly, if you do 100 square, 4 zeros you will get. So you can see everywhere the things is remaining constant. The numbers of zeros is always even in a perfect square. So the answer should be 100, 2, 0, 5, 0, 0, 0, 3 0, so it is not the perfect square. And here you count the 0, it is 4 0, so it is. And in the last number it is 5 0, so it is not. So here which answers you get, students? 100 and 36 lakh 10,000. This is your answer for the question number 3. So still question number 3, it is very clear and it was very easy as well. Now question number 4, here also we have to observe. Let me clear the screen, this all annotation, let me clear out. Okay, so question number 4. By just observing the digits at one place, tell which of the following can be a perfect square. It is here, yes, it is perfect square is written. Okay, so perfect square, मैंने आपको उस वीडियो में बताया था कि किसी भी नंबर के n में अगर 2 है, 3 है, 7 है या फिर 8 है, तो वो नंबर कभी भी परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं हो सकता है. Okay, so you need to remember this fact that any number which is ending with 2, 3, 7 or 8 cannot be a perfect square. So as per this fact, we will solve question number 4. So 1026, so it is ending with 6, so it is a perfect square, means it can be a perfect square. Okay, so 1026 is your one of the answer. And second number is ending with 2, so it cannot be a perfect square, right, as per this fact. And next is 1024, so 4 is there, so it can be a perfect square because in this fact 4 is not involved. And last is 1027, so again it is not a perfect square because 7 is here, which cannot be a perfect square. So the answer which you get is 1026 and 1024 is your answer for question number 4. So I hope you must have been cleared with this question also. Now in this video we will solve question number 5 only. And in the next part you will get the answers and concepts and everything for questions number 6, 7 and 8 in part 2. Okay, so here you will solve till question number 5. So let's check out question number 5. How many non-square numbers? Non-square students, I hope you must have seen the previous video, and if you have not seen, please go there and check once. Lie between the following pairs of numbers. So if you have not checked, or either you have checked, I am writing here the formula, you will remember that thing. N and n plus 1 I was telling, right, in the previous video. N is what? Any number, and n plus 1 is any number plus 1. Means consecutive natural numbers followed by 1. So the formula of finding the non-square number is 2n. Here the number, whatever number you have been given here, multiplying it by 2 will be your answer means the non-square numbers lie between that following pair. So 2n is the formula you need to remember. N and n plus 1 and non-perfect square numbers are 2n. Okay, so on this basis you have to solve this question. Let me zoom out for you. Question number 1 of question number 5, sub-question of question number 5 is 7 square and 8 square. Let me hear that also, 2n. N and n plus 1. Okay, so 7 square and 8 square. So this is n and this is n plus 1, right? So as per formula 2n, we will get the non-square number. So 2n means 2 into 7, because 7 is the number n and 8 is n plus 1. So 2 into 7 means 14. 14 is your non-square number. So first sub-question of question number 5, the answer is 14 non-square numbers. How? By multiplying it by 2, first number by 2. 2n is the answer. Always we will get the non-square number by this formula 2n and by remembering this expression. Now second is 10 square and 11 square. So 2n means 2 into 10 means 20. Here 20 non-square numbers lie between 10 and 11. Now 3 number is 40 square and it is 41 square. So 2 into 40, that means 80. 80 non-square number lies between 40 and 41. Now question number 4. Okay, it's same. Let me check once. Okay, this is your question number 4. This has been copied. Okay, question number 4 is 80 square and 81 square. So 80 square means 80 into 2, 160. 160 non-square numbers lies between 80 and 81. And this is your fifth number, right? Fifth number is 101 square and 102 square. So 101 into 2 means 202 non-squares number lies between 101 and 102. And sixth number is 205 square and 206 square. So again 2n, right? So 2 into 205. So 410 non-square numbers lie between 205 and 206. So till question number 5 of worksheet 1 we have solved in this video, and I hope you must have understand each and every question very well. And if you are having any doubt, any kind of question, any kind of query you have, you are free to ask, comment down your queries and your suggestions and everything whichever you want to share with us. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Watch till end every videos and watch every videos of concept specially, and then come and check your solution process in worksheet videos. Thank you. Have a nice day. Keep subscribing DAV Tutor and share with your friends and classmates. Thank you. Thank you very much and have a great day ahead.